What is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video finally we have stock Android on our Galaxy A7 Plus. Yep, I told you in my last week's vlog we will be seeing a stock Android on our Galaxy A7 and the A7 Plus, and it's finally here. As you can see, I have a gorgeous Galaxy A7 Plus in my hand, and look at it. The camera can't actually express how beautiful it looks in person with the 2K display, but right now it's in extremely early stages. I will be showing you how to install it, but it really depends when you're watching this video. As if right now October 7th, the camera and many other stuff is not working. You might be seeing a Resurrection remix soon in this week, or Lineage OS 15. No one knows. The developer is extremely talented, but as you can see here, you have all of your notifications. I mean, it's still the Lineage OS 14.1, but it's just stretched. Going to the apps, the app opening time is pretty quick. Still not as fast as the OnePlus 5. OnePlus 5 is like on a whole another level. Let's just open clock in 3, 2, 1. Performance is pretty close. Now I have installed full JApps over here, that's why we are seeing all of the apps, and also I installed a Pixel theme over here with the help of Substratum just to check whether the OMS is working or not, and yep, it fully works. Everything is looking like the Pixel, but let's just take a look at the settings. In terms of network connectivity, Wi-Fi, hotspot and every other stuff is working, such as cellular data too. If you go to the display, you have live display and stuff also added over here. Color profile, you have the options. Then you have screensaver ambient display, which would give a feel like a always on display, and literally display size is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 step screen display size. Let's just set it for the smallest one, and it literally becomes a tablet. You have prevent accidental wake up, which is also included in the latest version of Galaxy Note 8. Going down, you have sound, notification, apps, just the normal stuff. If you go to the battery and performance, you also have the option to set it on power saving, balance, or performance. On balance, it actually gives pretty good battery life. Now I don't have any SIM over here, so I can't actually confirm it. Personal reasons, performance is great. This is a 4 gig model, and I actually have 1.8 gigs of RAM, pretty good compared to the TouchWiz. We have navbar, so backlight is nothing of use, but you can actually change the layout over here. And also the developer has added advanced display over here. Doesn't do anything as if right now, as you can see. Hope to see something in future. Going to the About phone, Android 7.1.2, the latest version that you can actually run. Then you have the Lineage OS version, also 14.1. Looks extremely beautiful, but the funky part is 3D touch button still works over here. If you tap it on lock screen, it still works, but it doesn't do anything as if right now. But yeah, that's something we can actually hope in future. But there you go, that's how the lock screen looks. Also the app opening times is out of the world. You can just tap and you can see how fast the Instagram actually launched up. I will make full review again when the official one releases, or just a stable one with VoLTE and camera working. But let's just get to the installation of this ROM. So first of all, custom recovery is a must over here. You can find many videos on it. Let's just power off our device. Now you have to just go to the turbo recovery by holding your power, Bixby and volume up at the same time, and just release it right now. As you can see, now we are in the recovery. You have to just go to wipe, advanced wipe, dynamic system, data, cache. You don't need to wipe your internal storage or the micro SD card. Just swipe to wipe, home, and then you have to just go to the install, search for your ROM, Lineage OS 14, add more zip. Now you have to choose your GApps. I will to go with the smaller one this time, add more zips, and if you want root, you can just download the add-on zip, again link in the description, and swipe to flash. Now all of these 3 zips will flash in a row, and just under a minute all of the 3 zips have been installed. Then you have to just tap on the reboot system, do not install, and there you go, you have successfully installed stock Android on our Galaxy A7. Now the first boot will take a bit of a time, even though this phone is fast. After 2 minutes the phone has been finally booted up. Sorry for the brightness. I just tap next, skip, setup as new, don't use network for the setup just to make it fast, next, skip because it doesn't work, next, all set, next, and start. And there you go, you have finally installed Lineage OS 14.1. That's how it looks stock, but look at that, it just looks like I'm holding a huge display in my hand. There is nothing else. This phone is just a beauty. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next one. Peace.